Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Today's video is a bit different. I want to try do a wig, a box braid wig. So here's a dummy. I bought this at the boys road for 700 shillings. It's like $7. I bought this clamp here to have the stability of the head because it doesn't come, so I bought this differently at an Instagram page. I'll leave the name of the page right here. I also bought this at the same page in Instagram. We've got a number of other things, and I'm going to use this kind of a needle. It's like a curve needle. I bought this at Best Lady. What is it? Best Lady. It comes as a pack, costed less than 200 shillings. So this is just normal sewing thread. I'm going to use this kind of braid. So I'm using braid, bangles, long, number 1, and of course our wig cap. Let me get the wig cap. Yes, so this is one pack of the braid that I already made. This is a pack of it. Yes, so I did, how many braids are this? So I did 30 braids, and I'm going to install this on my wig cap by using the thread that I showed you before. So I have never done this before, so this is my first time, and yes, I took a risk by buying all those things, and I'm determined not to lose on it. I'm not giving up on it. I'm going to do it like a pro, like a professional. So let's sew in our braids. So these are the pins. So this is what they look like. So adjust their T-shape kind of pins here at almost the end. You just go in. Depends with the size you want your braids to be. I wanted mine to be medium, so I ended up using 10 packets of long braid, the same one, angels. I'm going to put this wig cap there. So this is our wig. After weeks and weeks, it took me almost 3 weeks to make this. So let's talk about it. Our wig cap. I don't think I showed you the wig cap. Let me get the wig. So there's a closure here, and the rest of it it's just the normal wig cap. It comes with these 2 drawstring strings, and that is what I used to make the wig. So I made a parting, a side parting. So you want to concentrate more on the front side, because that's where, anyway, that's where people see most. So it has to be really full. Compared to the back side, if you could see, it's a bit less. So let's talk about the security of the wig. I went with this kind of security, the pin one, but they're not so much secure because the wig is too heavy. So I'll take that out, and I added this band, very thick and very strong, so I just stitched in there. And for a more natural look, you could go in with your foundation here, and there you have your wig cap, or rather you have your wig, your braided wig. I feel so proud of myself doing this. So let's put this on our head and see how it looks like. As you could see, how I braided, I aligned the braids as closely as to the edge as possible, both sides. And here, since this is our side part, I feel the band behind it's more secure compared to this. The string, what are they called? The strings that come with the wig cap, not so secure. So that's it. You can actually do your edges from here, and you're good to go. You just move from being rustic to being beautiful in a matter of seconds. So the moment I leave the wig straight, when I get bored with it being straight, I'll put it in hot water and make it more curl. So yeah, pretty happy with my work.